Hello students, welcome back. I hope you all are perfectly fine. As we all know that unit test 1 is going to start soon. So you have to start preparing your lessons nicely. This is the revision video of lesson number 1 of English 1 and English 2 both. In English 1, lesson number 1 is ethic, and in English 2, lesson number 1 is alphabetical order. So first we will start lesson number 1 of English 2, that is alphabetical order. Define alphabet. An alphabet is a standard set of letters. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Examples: A, B, C, D, apple, ball, cat, doll, egg. So students, we all know that in the English alphabet, we have 26 letters starting from A till Z. And combination of these letters are used to make the different words that we have in the English language. Now here is one exercise for you all. Arrange the words in the correct alphabetical order. First one is ant, aroma, X, amuse. So here we can see that in all four words, first letter is same, that is A is same. So as per the rules, we will see the second letter. So second letter in first word, that is ant, is N. Second word is aroma and the second letter is R. Third X and fourth one is M. So the word amuse will come at the beginning because M comes before N. Now second word will be ant because N comes after M. Third will be aroma because R comes before X. And at last X, that is AXE. So it will be arranged like this: amuse, ant, aroma, X. Now see the second one: pencil, eraser, scale, sharpener. So we will arrange these words in the correct alphabetical order. Now all these four words, what do we see here? Pencil begins with P, eraser begins with E, scale begins with S, and sharpener also begins with S. Now we can easily find that eraser is going to come at the beginning. Why? Because E comes first. Then pencil because P comes after E. Now here is a problem because scale and sharpener both start with S. So we will see the second letter, that is H and C. So C comes before H. So the third word will be scale and the last one will be sharpener. Now let's see the third one, that is curd, coffee, cookies, cake. So cake will be at the beginning, after that coffee, and third will be cookies, and at last it will be curd. Now let's move to English literature. Lesson number 1, the ethic. Student, I will tell you a short summary through which you will be able to recall this chapter. You know what was there in this chapter? I will tell you. This story tells us about the four children named Mohan, Afzal, Noori and Lata. Three of them, Mohan, Afzal, Noori, were waiting for the rain to get stopped so that they could play. But afterwards they decided to go up to the attic and play. The first game they played was Soldier. Meanwhile, Afzal's mother was baking special cookies for them. When they got tired of playing soldier, they pulled down some old dresses, hats and acted like grown-up. In the meantime, Afzal's friend Lata arrived. She went in the attic to find them and there she saw that all of them were fast asleep. Now students, here are some difficult words. Learn it with spellings. Now repeat after me. Streams, S-T-R-E-A-M-S, attic, A-T-T-I-C, sweeten, S-W-E-E-T-E-N, dough, D-O-U-G-H, soldier, S-O-L-D-I-E-R, galoshes, G-A-L-O-S-H-E-S, extremely, E-X-T-R-E-M-E-L-Y, lovable, Lovely, able. Kittens, kittens. Scrapbook, scrapbook. Wonderful, wonderful. Noisy, noisy. Now, word meaning. Attic, space or room inside the roof of a building. Noisy feet, feet making a lot of noise. Sweeten, to make something sweet. Galoshes, waterproof shoes. Dough, thick mixture of flour and water used to make or bake biscuits, bread or cake. Now students, here is one sample question paper for you all. You have to solve it in your rough copy. I am repeating it again. This is your sample question paper and you have to solve it in your rough copy, not in your fair copy. I am reading the questions. Arrange the following in alphabetical order. This is of 3 marks. First, hair, hill, house, hen. Second, Delhi, Chennai, Pune, Assam. Third, Rahul, Rohan, Rohit, Roshan. Second, circle the word which comes first in alphabetical order. Fence, fancy, Eid, holy, Hindi, Urdu. This is also of 3 marks. Now, write the meaning of the following words. Sweeten, galoshes, noisy feet. This is of 3 marks, 1 marks each. Complete these sentences. Lata was wearing dash. What was Lata wearing? Now second one, the first game they decided to play was dash. This is of 2 marks. Now who said to whom? Why don't we go up to the attic and play? Afzal and his friends are in the attic. You have to tell who said these words to whom. This is also of 2 marks. Now answer this question. What is an attic? This is also of 2 marks. Make sure solve this sample question paper in your rough copy, not in fair copy. So students, I hope this sample question paper will help you in your revision. Learn your lessons thoroughly with spelling. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.